Hello everyone, this is the second episode of Prompt2Flutter tutorials, and today we are going to do a responsive modern dashboard user interface with Flutter using natural language prompts powered by Prompt2Flutter. So first we'll go to the text field and we'll describe the Flutter UI. So we'll say a responsive modern dashboard UI with sidebar navigation, a main content area with 3 metrics, let's say total sales, new users, and conversion rate. And a recent activity list below. We'll click generate. This is going to take some time because we are invoking a reasoning model under the hood. It is trained with a bunch of open source Flutter projects. Okay, there you go. So this is our code. So we'll preview it using the live preview feature. Click preview, then it opens the DartPad in our browser to preview the code. Okay, interesting. So this is our modern dashboard user interface, just as we described it. So there's the navigation sidebar. This is the icon for the profile screen, total sales, new users, conversion rate, and then the list of recent activity. We'll try the edit with the reasoning model. Click here, say make the cards wider and add a chart, let's say for daily trends. Okay, let's see now. So now it's editing the previous code. Okay, there you go. We have our new code now, so let's preview this code. So as you can see, the cards are now wider. It added a daily trends chart and it kept the same structure. And the navigation still, and the profile icon. So now this is a responsive design, which means it works both on mobile and web. So if we want to increase the size of, okay, let's do this. Okay, so now as you can see, there's also a web version of this with a sidebar with the profile and recent activity, as well as the daily trends and all the cards. Yeah, I personally think that's awesome. What do you guys think? Feel free to try the service. The first 10 generations are always free of charge, and tweaking the user interface using Gemini is always free. Thank you for watching.